Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Language and Input and enter Language and Region. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it, and let me pick maybe Greek one. Just tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to change the language, so tap on Change to confirm. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case Greek. If you've got two different languages applied to this list, you don't have to enter the list again. Simply tap on the language you'd like to apply. So let me pick English, and as you can see, the English will be at the very top of this list, and it has been applied, so the system is in the English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this X button. So let me remove Greek, confirm, just by tapping on this confirmation mark, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.